Well, now the Elite Plus, we add in a few items. You're gonna get what I'm wearing on my wrist right here. Now this is one of the most badass survival bracelets pretty much on the planet from our friends over at Suppressi Straps. This thing is high end. I mean, it goes like 130 bucks or something, but this is the Sears Sidekick bracelet. It is automatically included in the bag. It comes straight from the manufacturer. They're all made to order, so you can get the proper size you need, whatever color you want. Doesn't have to be black, be OD green, orange. They have all sorts of stuff. But we put all of these bracelets with a sear kit in them, so you have that escape and evasion stuff on you should you need it and you get in a dangerous situation or in a pinch. So we love the guys over at Suppressi. Another item we put in this bag, put in the plus version of the bag. This is plus version, this is plus version. All the 209 primers with it. You can get 100 of them for like 20 bucks or something on Amazon. They're really cheap. You got a whole setup in here with your trigger pins, your safety pins. Like I said, 4 of these in here in this kit, and it does come with a pouch. You have your primer caddy, which is going to carry 10 of those 209 primers in here, and you've got 2 75-foot spools, so you have 150 ballistic trip line here for, let's say, if you want to stop for the night or during the day, depending on how tired you are, and you want to set up kind of a perimeter alarm around yourself, around your person, or far enough away so that you know if somebody's coming in who shouldn't be there and you need to be alerted of it. You can do that, set that up at about ankle height. Somebody's not going to notice it, and boom, they're going to trip over it. Now listen, we're a small business here at Survival Gear BSO. We are very passionate about what we do. One of the great things about us is that when you call, you talk to an actual survival expert. We're connected with some of the best experts in the field. So come and see us at survivalgear.us. If you have any questions at all of our information is at the footer of the homepage. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share with friends and family if you think they would love this video as well. And it comes with a very basic mini flashlight here with a red option here for setting up at nighttime. Once you go with that red light, it's a little harder to see. White light is very easy for the human eyes to see. Red is a bit more discreet. And as I mentioned in the basic kits, one of the things we don't include, but I would highly recommend, a pair of these like $15 pair of goggles. They're great for walking through the woods, whether it's day or especially nighttime. Take care of your eyes. You don't want to stick in the eye. If you're in a position where you have to use a bug out bag, hopefully you only have to use it one time only. You don't want to compromise on the important things, especially your eyes. Keep your eyes protected. You don't want to have more problems than you need given that situation. So that's what we have in the Survivors Pro Bug Out Bag, the Elite Plus.